What's up, guys? It's me, Jessica. Happy spring and happy Easter to those who celebrate. Or should I say, Hoppy Easter? That's not funny, is it? It's finally starting to get warm here. The snow has been replaced with April showers and lots of them. Seriously, there's like a storm every other day. Moving on. Last year, LEGO released a set of instructions for an alternate build to the LEGO Art Project Create Together set with Easter and spring related designs. The instructions were free but appeared for a limited time in the VIP reward section of the LEGO website, where you could redeem Easter inspired rebuilds for 0 VIP points, and they would send the instructions to you in an email. Naturally, I had to build these designs for myself. Unfortunately, in order to complete this build, I did need some of the pieces from my Mario LEGO art display that I did last month for Mario Day. So, I had to take Mario apart. As with the original layout of the LEGO Art Project Create Together set, this rebuild consists of 9 mini designs that come together to form one piece of LEGO art to hang on your wall. You can arrange these 9 designs in any order that you'd like. There is a yellow wildflower, of course we need a bunny rabbit, and 2 different painted egg designs. A kite seemingly flying through the sky with the sun in the distance. A cupcake. I'm not really sure how that relates to spring or Easter specifically, but I do think it fits in well with the other designs. Comment below if a cupcake has a significant meaning to Easter or spring for you, because I'm curious to know. Maybe it's not even a cupcake. I'm pretty sure it's a cupcake with like sprinkles and a cherry on top. A cupcake makes more sense than ice cream. I don't know. Anyways, a butterfly. A cute little duckling swimming in the water, and its beak is open, so we are going to say that it is singing. A swimming, singing duckling. I would like to think that this is a chick because that says Easter to me more than a duckling, but chicks can't swim. So to me, that is a duck in the water, and ducks still feel like spring, so it works. And a blue tulip that seems like it needs some of those April showers to perk it back up. Feel free to stick a comment below if you have different opinions on what these designs might be. After all, art is open to interpretations, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Out of these 9 designs, I would say that my favorite visually are definitely the wildflower and the duckling. Of course, the designs are limited to the colors from the original LEGO Art Project Create Together set, being alternate instructions for it. I do think some of the designs would look better with a different color scheme or even something as simple as a different background color. But overall, the designs look amazing, and this definitely gives me spring feels. I highly recommend this alternative build, especially if you already own the LEGO Art Project Create Together set. The instructions are no longer available in the LEGO Reward Center, but I will leave a link to a copy of the instructions in the description box below, so you can check them out for yourself. If you enjoy videos like this and you want to see me try out some other alternative builds for sets, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you love spring. Get outside and enjoy that sun and fresh air, or put on some rain boots and go take a walk in the rain. Unless there is thunder and lightning. Stay safe out there, guys. I'm going to go enjoy this 46-degree sunny weather. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.